After going through severe central vision loss, I found that the GoPro is actually quite an accessible camera. It's amazing to clearly capture sight and be able to share that perspective with others. And that's just a few reasons why I think cameras should be made accessible for visually impaired people. In this clip from Cam Bodway's LinkedIn live show Normalize It, I expand more on these points. Check it out.
You told me a really neat story about, why GoPro gave you sight after sight loss. So why don't you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so I got a GoPro and quickly found out that it was a great camera that kind of indirectly was kind of accessible. First of all, it's incredibly simple to use. It's
Hmm.
just a couple buttons, and it's a super wide angle camera, and everything's in focus. So I just point it in the direction I want it to go, and it'll take a good picture or video.
Hmm.
And it also connects to the GoPro app. So I can't use that like tiny little screen on the back of a GoPro,
Right?
but with magnification and voiceover on my phone, like I could adjust all the settings on there or see the viewfinder bigger on my phone. And so I was quickly like, okay, like I think this could work. Uh,
Yeah.
and then what was just like a powerful feeling is like as I would start to take a better photo, or make a cool video and getting like a good response from somebody was like a very cool feeling. Like for
Hmm.
you to say like that you thought like the footage looked really cool of the like look landscapes I was at. It's like it's a pretty awesome compliment and feeling to be like, I couldn't see that very well at all in person, but I could capture sight
Yeah.
around me and not only see it better for myself, but share that perspective with other people is very powerful. And I think it's like, I have a condition where there's no cure, and I'm I'm totally cool with that. It's like this is who I am and how I was made. But it's like so awesome that you can find technology that can solve that problem in a unique way, where it's such a cool feeling to get little, capture. I say sight because sight is just like the visual information that we get around me, and if
Hmm.
I could just consume that another way, like that, I'm cool with that. And where I used to think, oh, it's so ironic, like the blind guys into taking photos and making videos, but I'm like, no, like if you have problems with mobility, like there's also sorts of tools to get around better, crutches,
Hmm.
wheelchair, like all sorts of things, like so you can have better mobility. So it's like if you can't see well, why wouldn't you use something that could actually see well?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like this and check out one of these videos to learn more about my story with creativity.